Good day, sir. In this video, I'm gonna tackle about volleyball, the background of volleyball. So just like other sports, volleyball also has history from humble beginnings to a global sport. So volleyball was originally called Mentonet, and the origin of volleyball can be traced back to 1895 in Massachusetts, USA. It was created by American William G. Morgan. History has it that William G. Morgan, who invented the game of volleyball in 1895, came up with the idea so that people who found basketballs bumping or jolting too strenuous could have an alternative physical activity to fall back on. William G. Morgan, who served as the physical director at the Young Men's Christian Association or the YMCA, Holyoke, Massachusetts, looked at the sports around and picked the aspects that he thought suited his brief the best. The ball came from basketball, the net came from tennis, and the use of hands from handball. While this made up a game of volleyball, it was lent some competitive tone with the introduction of innings later to be called sets that was borrowed from baseball. Morgan introduced the sport called the Mentonet, the original name of volleyball, at the YMCA Physical Director Conference a year later at Springfield College, Massachusetts. Though it was incomplete with no fixed rules and a format to follow, the sport did enough to win over the delegation and soon became a part of YMCA's wide network throughout the USA with a new name. Volleyball initially was termed as two words. Volleyball was officially selected to spell as a single word in 1952. A sport was traced its origin to basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball, and now estimated to be played by over 800 million globally had this been established. So in this semester, I expected to learn more knowledge about sports and looking forward to play such different kind of sports. Thank you.